6 ways to fix Steam Remote Play not working. Solution 1. Update Steam Client and Game. Open Steam Client and click Steam in the menu bar. In the drop-down menu, click Check for Steam Client Updates. If an update is available, Steam will download and install it automatically. Click Restart Steam when prompted. Then, to update a game, right-click it and click Properties. Select the Updates panel. Open the Automatic Updates drop-down menu and select Always Keep this game updated. Then, select the Betas panel. Open the Betas drop-down menu and select None. Check if Remote Play is working. Solution 2. Stop using Steam Beta Client. Open the Steam Client and click Steam in the menu bar. In the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Account panel, under the Beta Participation section, click Change. Open the Beta Participation drop-down menu and select None. Opt out of all beta programs. Then, click OK. Click Restart Steam when prompted. Check if Remote Play is working. Solution 3. Disable and re-enable Remote Play. Open Steam and click Steam in the menu bar. In the drop-down menu, click Settings. Then, select Remote Play. Disable Remote Play and click OK. Then, restart your PC. Once your PC boots up, return to the Settings menu and re-enable Remote Play. Check if Remote Play is working. Solution 4. Disable hardware decoding. Open the Steam client on the guest PC. Open the Steam menu and select Settings. Select the Remote Play panel. Click Advanced Client Options. Uncheck the Enable Hardware Decoding option and click OK. Check if Remote Play is working. If it isn't, then disable hardware decoding on the host computer as well. Solution 5. Force IP address change. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in CMD and hold down Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the elevated command prompt. In the command prompt window, type in ipconfig/release and press the Enter key. Then type in ipconfig/renew and press Enter. Check if Remote Play is working. If it isn't, then on the guest computer only, hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog, type in steam://open/console and click OK. Then, in the Steam console, type in connect_remote, then the IP of the host, and then :27036, and press enter. Check if remote play is working. Solution 6. Disable IPv6. Hold down Windows plus R keys to open Run. In the Run dialog box, type in ncpa.cpl and click OK. Right-click your network adapter and click Properties. In the Networking tab, uncheck the checkbox next to Internet Protocol version 6, TCP IPv6, and click OK. Then check if remote play is working. Thank you for watching.